Introducing the DJI OM 4 SE, the ultimate smartphone gimbal stabilizer for capturing your world creatively and smoothly. With its magnetic design, attaching your phone is a breeze, allowing you to start filming instantly. This lightweight and foldable stabilizer is designed to go wherever adventure takes you, making it the perfect creative companion. Featuring Active Track 3.0, tracking subjects has never been easier. Whether it's adults, children, or even pets, the OM 4 SE can automatically follow and capture their movements. And with Story Mode, you can create stunning videos with just a few taps, thanks to its selection of creative templates. Let the OM 4 SE do the work for you, so you can focus on the fun. Say goodbye to shaky videos. The powerful 3-axis stabilization technology of the OM 4 SE ensures that your smartphone footage is always smooth and cinematic, even with an external lens. Plus, with simple gestures, you have full control over the stabilizer, making recording super convenient wherever you go. In the box, you'll find the DJI OM 4 SE, along with a magnetic phone clamp, grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and wrist strap. Please note that the magnetic ring holder is sold separately. Don't miss out on capturing your world in a whole new way. Get the DJI OM 4 SE now and experience seamless smartphone filming like never before.